समाजाच्या पालकांच्या दबावाखाला विद्यार्थी फक्त दोतोर किंवा इंजिनियरिंग सारकेल्या मळांनी पावल मारतात. आयच्या बदलत्या जगान कितलेशेच करियर ऑप्शन्स विद्यार्थ्यांक खातीर उक्ते जाल्ले आसात. हाचे विशीं विद्यार्थ्यांक म्हायती दिवपा खातीर पीपल स्कुलान वॉट आर माय चॉयसेस नांवा खाला करियर गायडन्स टॉक्स घडोवन हाडले.
Have an unique program for our students at People's, which was initiated 5 years ago, and it's called What Are My Choices. हो आमी चड करून करता कित्याक की भुरग्यांक आज प्रेशर आसता इधर दोतोर जावंक जाय और इंजिनियरूच जावंक जाय. सो हो आमकां स्कुलान 11वी-12वीच्या भुरग्यांक दिसता की तांकां जरी कोप अप जायना तरी प्रेशरा खातीर ते सायन्स जॉयन करतात, दोतोरूच जावपाक जाय किंवा इंजिनियर जावपाक जाय. बाकीचे तरेचे प्रोफेशनल्स स्कुलान आपयतात एज गेस्ट. दर वर्सा 3 गेस्ट आपयतात. एक आसता फ्रॉम इंडियन एडमिनिस्ट्रेटीव सर्विसीस कित्याक ताजो गोंयांक और गोंयच्या भुरग्यांक चड एक्सपोजर ना. दुसरे आमी आपयतात एक समबडी फ्रॉम द क्रिएटीव सायड, फिल्म मेकर किंवा an architect. We had a DJ, an internationally renowned DJ last year. And the third one whom we call is a professional. So it could be a chartered accountant, a lawyer, so other professions where you can be successful and you can make money. And this is the idea of the program. And so far the response has been very good. In terms of acceptance, perception of the program, and students look forward to it. In fact, amcho AG of Goa, who is our student, Saresh Lotlikar, came in here 3 years ago. And after he spoke, 50% of our science students after 12 joined law. So this is the kind of impact we had. Last year we had a partner of Deloitte who came here all the way from Mumbai, Maushmi Nagarshekar. She spoke, and this time almost 50% of our commerce students have opted for the integrated course in chartered accountancy. So likewise, it is having an enormous impact, and we look forward to it. We curate this program with a huge amount of interest. This year we have the member of UPSC, Sri Sanjay Verma, who is actually the person who sets the papers and conducts exam. We've invited him from Delhi. He's an ex-IFS personality, ambassador to Spain and Dubai, and he's going to address the students. The second person is we have an AI expert. We have called him from California, Sujay Chari. He'll talk to them. And third one in the creative field is Himani Grover. She is a celebrity jewelry designer. She designs for Shah Rukh Khan and actors likewise. And her brand Chikori Chai is known nationally and internationally. So this is the program we have for the students, uniquely only in People's. As I said, की भुरग्यांक भयंकर प्रेशर आसता दोतोरूच जा किंवा इंजिनियर जा. तांचो जरी ताचो एप्टिट्यूड नासलो तरी सोसायटल प्रेशर आवय बापायक दिसता की ताणें तेंच जावचें, आनी दुसरें दिसता की हेंच प्रोफेशन करून बरें सक्सेसफूल जावंक शकता, पयशे करूंक शकता. सो आमचें हे भुरग्यांक दाखोवपाचें की दुसरी प्रोफेशनां करून बरे भशेन केल्यार यू कॅन मेक मनी.
प्रुडंटा खातीर चेतन गवस.